This is Learn French channel. In this video, we'll see how to pronounce couples of letters AI and EI when they come up in a word. In the previous video, we've seen that we pronounce sound E when the letter E is in the middle of a word in a closed syllable, or in the other words, when it is in the middle of a word and followed by two consonants. So let's see the example. La vaisselle. We see that this word is broken down into 3 syllables, and letter E is in the closed syllable, or in the syllable ending with the consonant L. We can also notice that letter E is followed with 2 consonants, double L. Pronouncing E, your mouth is open and your thumb doesn't touch the roof of the mouth. Now we keep on with the studying of the sound E. The rule for couples of letters AI and EI is very simple. It is always pronounced as an open sound E, like in the word get. Though there are some nuances in pronouncing, if you just say E, every French will understand you. And now let's move to the examples. Français, aigre, la chaise, aider, le caissier, la laine, la connaissance, éclairer, laisser, la liaison, la paix, la palais, le mais, la mairie, le locataire, le maire, saisir, vraiment. And with EI, says, enseigner, renseigner, 13, la neige, la tour Eiffel, beige, freiner, pleine, la reine, le beignet. With this, we've come to the end. I hope that this lesson was useful. If you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to the channel or you can visit our website. Thank you for joining and keep on practicing till the next time. À bientôt et bisous!